Hi, this is Amanda Smith. I hope you're having a great Monday. I will be honest with you, I am not very comfortable with counseling at all. Being a school psych in the school psych program, we've taken a lot of counseling classes, we've done a lot of practice, but I haven't actually seen it at all, and I haven't actually done it at all. So, um, the idea of designing a comprehensive counseling program seems a little more attainable to me because it's a little more concrete, I think. Once you have the data and you can follow a plan, and obviously counseling is that way as well. However, I think there's so many different things that you can't necessarily account for. I think obviously when you're interacting with students and with other people, their responses then determine what you're going to say next or what you're going to do next. And I think there's not a prescribed way to do it. And obviously you can have counseling plans and things like that, but I think just the uncertainty of what's going to happen next and how I'll respond to that, keeping you on your toes type of thing makes me a little bit anxious. And I know a large part of that is just because I haven't had any experience with it in the real world. I have never gone to counseling. I have never sat in on counseling. I've never actually counseled anyone. And I'm in my practicum year, so I'm sure I'll see counseling from a school psychologist perspective, but I haven't been able to witness that or observe that yet. I did design a 6-week girls group curriculum in one of the classes, which to be honest took a lot of work. And I think because it was such a broad concept and there were so many ways to go with it, it took me a long time to figure out what to actually put in those 6 weeks, how much time to spend on each thing, and how to go about it in the best way possible. So I have a meeting actually tomorrow with a potential second supervisor for my practicum hours. And one of the questions I want to ask her is, how much counseling do you do? And will there be an opportunity if I do decide to come spend one day a week observing her, how much exposure to counseling I may have from the school psych perspective, so that hopefully I'll be able to see it and feel more comfortable going into my internship here, where I'm sure I'll be asked to actually run some counseling groups. So that is my goal for this week, to try and figure out how I can get more comfortable and more exposed to counseling, because it's such a kind of a scary topic for me. Have a great week. I'll see you later.